In this video, I will show how to use Oxygen to create a XML schema that is the same as the example shown in figure 11.5. So in Oxygen, new a file, select XML schema. It will automatically land you on the design view. Design view is really an easier way to create XML schema. I'll show you how. So first thing, if you right click on this schema, and you can add a new global element. So this is going to be our year build element. And once you create a year build element, you can edit its attributes. So what kind of element is this element? And we wanted to make it a simple type, right? It's a complex type but simple content. So we will, edit element. And if we click on this, it will give us a bunch of options. We will select complex type extension for simple content. And the base type in this case is positive integer. So we will select from this list positive integer. And see, if you actually attempted to change, in this case everything goes well, so system did not complain. If you try to actually, for example, change content to complex type, you will have an error. Since turn red, and if you move your cursor over, you will find the error message. It says the complex type cannot be used. When you use complex content, you must use the base type cannot be simple one. Positive integer is a simple type, so you have to change it back to simple. You could actually experiment with selecting different possibility here, and the system will complain again. If you try to set this to positive integer, that's the thing that we wanted, it will automatically return you back to extension. So extension must be used when you use a simple type, positive integer, as your base. Okay, so that's our definition for this text-only element. Next, we want to add an attribute, right? So we click that open again, append child, and we want to add an attribute. As you can see, now system understands that positive integer is our base. And this new attribute, click on it, you will be able to enter its name. And then you can edit its attribute. This error attribute has a type of string. So let's go find this. Okay, now we have this schema created. Go to the text view, examine it. You will see that this schema is pretty much like, almost exactly like the one that the book has in figure 11.5. Let's save this schema. I'll save this schema and then create a document, an XML document to try out this. So we have the schema now. Let's create a new XML document, and you will, if I could make this window smaller, hold on.